The sound of black hole GRS 1915+105. GRS 1915+105 is a stellar mass black hole about 36,000 light-years away in the constellation Aquila. What makes it remarkable is that astronomers detected quasi-periodic oscillations, X-ray bursts coming from matter spiraling into it. When converted into sound waves, these oscillations produce a deep, drum-like beat. Some scientists even called it the heartbeat of a black hole. What we're actually hearing is the material in the accretion disk heating up, vibrating, and being torn apart by gravity as it falls into the event horizon.